Welcome to Continue Learning Guolao 2 channel journey in comprehensively understanding blockchain from 0 to 1. In the sixth lecture, we will delve into the upstream mining of Bitcoin. In this lecture, I will explain the history of mining machines and how to choose one. As the Bitcoin industry has evolved globally, it can be divided into three main segments: upstream, midstream, and downstream. Upstream refers to the production of Bitcoin, including all companies involved in Bitcoin mining. Most of these companies belong to the upstream segment. This includes the design and production of mining machines, the establishment of mining farms and power generation facilities, as well as the operation of mining pools. These companies are considered upstream Bitcoin enterprises. The midstream segment includes exchanges and storage, while the downstream segment encompasses Bitcoin applications. Some also classify Bitcoin storage as part of the upstream segment, as it's considered an essential aspect since the inception of Bitcoin. For our purposes today, we define Bitcoin production as upstream and storage as downstream. In this lecture, we will focus on Bitcoin's upstream enterprises, specifically those related to Bitcoin mining. We'll start by discussing miners and mining machines. Through this lesson, you will learn how to select a mining machine and understand the qualifications required to become a successful miner. When Satoshi Nakamoto invented Bitcoin, the idea was for everyone to participate, without the need for specialized mining machines. You may have heard stories of people mining Bitcoin from their homes or offices using their computers. At that time, most mining was done using CPUs. As computational power increased, some individuals started using GPUs for mining. The first person to mine using GPUs was the programmer who famously exchanged 10,000 Bitcoins for pizza. This led to a shortage of graphics cards in the market, a scenario that repeated during Ethereum mining in 2017 due to rising Ethereum prices. As mining difficulty increased, GPUs also reached their computational limits. To overcome this limitation, specialized mining hardware was developed. These devices, often referred to as mining machines or ASICs, were dedicated solely to Bitcoin mining. Similarly, Litecoin mining machines were designed for Litecoin's algorithm and were not interchangeable with Bitcoin machines. This wasn't a technical limitation but rather a result of the competitive nature of mining, where every condition needs to be optimized for success. Trying to accommodate multiple functions would reduce efficiency, making them less competitive in the market. Today, most mining machine manufacturers have their origins in chip design. Mining machines consist of components like chips, cooling fans, and power supplies, but the core component that determines a machine's ability to mine more Bitcoin is the chip. The two most well-known Bitcoin mining machine manufacturers globally are Bitmain's Antminer and Canaan's Avalon. Canaan, the inventor of ASIC chips for mining, created the first machines with these chips. ASIC stands for Application-Specific Integrated Circuit, designed and manufactured for specific electronic systems and user requirements. There have been other notable mining machine manufacturers, such as the Swedish company KNC Miner, which received around $32 million in financing, but unfortunately went bankrupt in May 2016. In China, there are also well-known manufacturers like eBang and MicroBT. Choosing a mining machine in this competitive landscape is crucial. Ideally, you should opt for the latest models with high computational power and low production numbers. You should also consider the historical reputation, stability, and after-sales service of the manufacturer. Computational power refers to a machine's ability to perform hashing operations per second. For example, mainstream Bitcoin mining machines currently have a computational power of 14 terahashes per second, THS. Power consumption is a significant factor as it directly impacts a miner's operational costs. Mining machines typically operate 24/7, so even small differences in power consumption can lead to significant cost variations over time. It's worth noting that mining machines designed for a specific algorithm can also mine other cryptocurrencies using the same algorithm. For instance, a Bitcoin mining machine can mine Bitcoin Cash, BCH, and an Ethereum mining machine can mine Ethereum Classic, ETC. Regarding individual mining, it has become increasingly challenging to mine Bitcoin on your own. Mining has mostly transitioned to large-scale operations and pool mining. However, I will explain the concept of mining pools later. If you decide to purchase a mining machine, the process is relatively straightforward. You'll need to connect it to the internet and follow these steps. Choose a mining pool and register an account. Enter your Bitcoin receiving address, where your mined Bitcoin will be sent. Plug in your mining machine, connect it to power and the internet, and turn it on. Your mining machine will start running and with the help of the mining pool, contribute to solving blocks and earning Bitcoin rewards. Remember to monitor its performance and address any issues promptly. Lastly, I'd like to leave you with a thought-provoking question. If you have a mining machine with a computational power of 14 THS, and it accounts for 1.7% of the entire network's computational power, running 24/7 with a daily electricity cost of 1.3 RMB, how long would it take to recover your investment if Bitcoin's price remains at 25,000 RMB and each block rewards 12.5 BTC? Congratulations on completing Lecture 6 of the comprehensive blockchain course from 0 to 1. In the next lecture we will discuss mining farms and mining pools, exploring what you need to prepare for running a mining operation and how to collaborate with mining pools.